To the bracelet we made in the previous video, we will make these earrings. I have already made one and we will make the second one now. We will use the same raw materials that we used to make the bracelet. We will need ear wires. I chose rings decorated with cubic zirconia. We will also take the connectors that we used in pendant of the bracelet. They are also decorated with cubic zirconia, and we will assemble this element. It will consist of the same double row connectors. There are 9 of them and 9 beads. We take the ring, open it, and string the connectors on it. Here's what we got. Now we need to add beads here. We'll do this with a fishing line. Now we have to connect all 3 elements together. As an alternative to earrings, we can offer clips made from the same beads and connectors attached to a clip base. The decorative part is made according to the same principle as the bracelet. In the next video, we will make a pendant for a necklace, finishing our set of 3 elements, and I will try it on myself. Everyone who liked this video, please give it a like, and those who did not like it can give it a dislike.